What's up, geezers? I'm here with Dan today. We're going to be learning how to skateboard, but I'm going to teach a beginner, somebody who's maybe literally pushed 2 times in their entire life on a skateboard. All right, Dan, you ready for this?
It's not going to go very well.
Get off my lawn!
How many times?
Maybe twice, and I fell both times. When I mean pushed, I mean like 5 feet. That's it.
That's it? So
That's
you
it.
weren't able to actually like stand up and such?
No, I mean I stand and push and then hit a crack and fall. I talked a big game before I got here, and now I'm not too excited because there's going to be people here to watch me.
We're at Vandergrift Skate Park here in Arlington, Texas right now. So Dan's gonna wear my helmet. We'll see if it fits him.
It's perfect.
It'll be all right. Be all right. Just snap that on. All right, so you're gonna be all right, man. So we're gonna get you on film pushing for the first time. Mall grab, Dan.
Mall grab, I got it.
Dan's mall grabbing. Although you got a reverse mall grab going on there. It only makes sense to mall grab, people. There's nothing wrong with mall grabbing. Quit giving us a hard time about it. All right, so if you're a beginner and you're a little older and you have your pads on, you want to get going and you've never pushed a skateboard before, first thing you need to do is determine which way you're going to stand on the board. So the first thing you want to do is set the board down with the front facing forward like this, and then step onto the board whatever feels comfortable. So let's try that, Dan. Let's have you step onto the board in the grass. So you are regular footed.
Regular foot.
Yep.
I already kind of feel like I'm going to fall off.
Do you know, is this how you ride when you snowboard?
Yeah, this is how I ride.
You ride regular foot?
And I mean, I can ride both ways, but this way is easier.
That's how you start?
Yeah.
I mean, so you ride switch a little bit. That's cool. All right, cool. All right, so in order to push, just set your board down the direction in which you want to go. Put it down. You're going to put your front foot on, and the other foot needs to be off to the side. So it'd be like you're standing at the front of your board like this, right? And then you're going to want to put it in front of you, and then just push and just ride with it. That's all you got to do. Just ride with it. All right? So you don't want to push like this because you'll get made fun of. That's called pushing Mongo.
Mongo?
Some people push Mongo, and it's awkward to push Mongo to me. Are you ready for this, Daniel?
No, not really.
So Dan is... Okay, so there you go. You're standing on it, right? Like you would stand.
I feel like I'm going to hit my butt really hard.
Just ride with it. Like ride with the flow of it, okay?
My front foot good right here?
Yeah, yeah. Just on those bolts. I'll put it a little sideways, like at a 45. There you go. This is Dan's first attempt at pushing here.
Are you ready?
I'm ready when you're ready. All right. There you go. That was actually pretty good, man.
Yeah, actually, really good.
No, that was good. You give it another shot?
Yeah. Alright, ready?
Yep.
When I fall, please don't audible laugh, okay?
I will not audibly laugh.
He's ready for it, I can tell. Or laugh really loud.
I know, this is his first time really to really even push on a board. I mean, how old are you, dude?
I feel like I'm gonna die. I'm 38.
38. First time to really push on a board.
I feel like I'm about to die. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it. So you gotta applaud that, you know? All right, let's do it.
Hope I can make it to work. And then don't break it down.
Yeah.
That's the next for me right there.
Next, how you feel? How do you feel about it?
I feel pretty good. I mean, not really good. I actually feel scared of shit. But
Yeah, but I mean,
it looks a lot safer.
no, you're good. You're good. Just roll with it. Nice.
I was really good.
That was actually really good.
I was really good until I came right here. I didn't know what to do.
Alright, so what you need to learn next, Dan, as a beginner, after learning how to just kind of push on a board, you pretty much need to know how to kick turn, and I'm going to show you how to do that right over here. So basically, if you're new and you're learning how to skate and you finally got the pushing down, right, like pushing and riding, being able to push multiple times, you want to be able to get a kick turn down. So basically that's pushing down on the tail like this and then turning, just twisting your body like this or like this, right?
Okay.
So that helps whenever you, like you're going, you want to turn, and then turn.
Okay.
And you learn back, so that's all backside. You start learning front side. Kick turn. Right? That's all it is.
Okay.
That works. So you push down and then you twist your body. So it's a lot of twisting before you even push down. So twist your body, push down, then turn. How does that feel?
It feels not that bad going to the right, but to the left it kind of feels weird because you're going
right
backwards. You know?
Right, that's front side. Front side's a little harder. So which one feels more natural?
This one feels more natural. This one. Backwards feels weird.
Yeah, yeah. Right, that's the harder one. So twist your body, then push down.
I feel like I came really close to falling there.
You need more speed, probably. Yeah, you're gonna need a little more speed. Not bad, not bad. He's got a YouTube channel with like 7,000 subscribers now.
Yep.
Yeah. He's got a family vlog channel.
Trying to show old man myself how to skate.
It's winter time, kid. We're already following you, man.
For real? Yeah, I told you.
All right, guys. So if you're looking to learn how to skate and you're a beginner, you gotta set that pride aside. You gotta set that embarrassment aside. You gotta put on your pads, and then just get out there and do it. That's the main thing. So Dan, let me ask you this: what is something that you learned learning how to skate out here?
I learned it's not as scary as I thought it was going to be. That's for sure. I was obviously very concerned, got very nervous when a lot of people were around, but everyone was pretty helpful. No one seemed to want to make fun of me, laugh at me, goof on me for being, you know, having these on and being no good, you know. So I learned that everyone seems pretty chill.
Thanks, Dan, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and most of all, go over and check out Life Meets Family's channel. They just posted a video about this as well on their channel, so be sure to go over there, and I will leave a link to that right down here in one of these end screens. Peace.